We've just acquired this lovely looking Mercedes CLA diesel sport. It's got rear privacy glass, lovely grey alloy wheels, rear park distance control. We have got a little rear black spoiler to go on there. Be arriving this week. The car's only just arrived into stock. Matching carpet mats. Interior's in superb condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Our auto headlights. Just start it up. Some 112,248 miles. Satellite navigation, 3-stage heated seats, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, climate control, USB. Really has been looked after. Does not drive or look like the mileage. It's great value for money. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.